back with another video. Today we are doing Cooking with Cajun. We have a special guest. What's your name?
What's your name?
I don't know.
My name's Corbin.
Okay. We have a special guest that's about to eat a banana.
Yeah.
But he's not eating it yet because we have him in a chokehold. Oh, I hit something over. Let's drink some tea first.
KJ?
Okay, let's fold this wrap.
What do you like? I don't even like tea.
Cool. Now, we're doing this one-handed, so don't judge us, guys.
I'm not even cooking it. I already ate.
We don't even cook these. Put them in the microwave. Do half and half, and then you have a perfect fold. Dang it. Refold all of it. Do another perfect fold. And hopefully it'll stay like that in the microwave. We're trying to have at least one pop every day.
KJ,
What?
I can do that warming thing and put it in that warming thing and press it down.
No. Just do the old-fashioned microwave to make it soggy. Yeah.
I'm pretty sure you should only have one pop. I'm not even allowed to have a pop today.
Really?
Yeah, because you know the eye aches.
What does pop have to do with that?
Sugar?
Yeah, the sugar hurts
How
my
does
eye.
sugar hurt your eye? Oh, if you pour it on your eye, yeah.
No, the sugar goes into your body, into your blood.
How would it go into your eye, though? That's
It goes
that's
to
so
the blood. It's in your
confusing.
blood, KJ.
That's so confusing. There's sugar in your blood.
If you have too much,
Oh,
you can have more to eat.
Oh.
I wish you'd do it with two hands.
Yeah,
When
that's
you when you come in, you can have more.
nope. Nope. Okay, that's not working. Okay, I'm gonna have to end the video there. This was a short one, and we're gonna end it with me trying to open a can of soda. Vote if I can open the soda or not open the soda. Oh, it's not open. Ah! So close. Yeah, we did it! Okay, I'm gonna end the video there. You better not drink that.